Hey, hi, welcome to Printronix Today. I'm Terry Whitmire. We're in a traditional warehouse, and we're going to show you a traditional warehouse operation. I'm actually out in the shipping area, and I'm actually just printed some shipping tags. And I'm going to pull those shipping tags off and show you how a traditional warehouse would be today. So here's all my shipping tags, and that forces me as a shipping guy. Now I'm going to have to walk out to the floor. If you look in our warehouse assembly, we've got shelves and shelves. And so what I'm going to have to do is read my tag and say, where's that first box that I'm looking for? Oh, it's over here. And now I'm going to have to take that box and pick it off the shelf. Pick it off the shelf, and I'm going to put that tag on. And the second one is, oh, I got another box down here. And that's the right one. Yep, that's what I'm looking for. So let me pull that off the shelf and tag them, etc. And I've got one more that I've got to pick for this shipment. And I've got to find that one. And it's down here. Now that I've got my shipments, guess what? I'm going to take them back up and send them out to the customer. Oh, the funny thing is, I printed my shipping tags, and it told me where to go in the warehouse, and it told me what boxes to pick. But unfortunately, there's no guarantee that I got the right tag on the right box. So I've got to recheck to make sure that I've got the right label on the box. Because if I don't, guess what? The customer's going to get the wrong stuff, and my inventory is going to be wrong. There's got to be a better way. There's got to be a better way for me to do picking as I just showed you. Remember last time I showed you about how to make it more efficient in your warehouse? Well, guess what? That's what we're going to know now. If I batch printed all those labels and gave them to the picker, and they had to go out on the floor and actually put the right label on the box, it was very time consuming to have to go back to a station and get the labels, and then to ensure error proofing was in use because they could actually put the right label on the box. Well, let me show you the solution. It's the Printronix PrintCart with an embedded printer already embedded into the printer, wireless printer with a workstation on top. So what it allows me to do is check my screen, and it says I need to go to this station to do a pick. So I'm going to walk over there and actually use my scanner to scan the label, and sure enough, the correct label prints. And now I'm going to take that label off and apply the label to the box, and I've ensured 100% accuracy on all the labels that I picked, ensuring error proofing. What a better way to increase productivity in your warehouse.